My name is Umumararungu Clementine. I was a facilitator at Camp Glow Ruhango, and I would like to give you some information about the Glow. Glow means girl leading our words, and it is for the intelligent girls with leadership skills. Girls made groups named Female Heroes.
Obama, Obama, Obama.
At camp, listen were taught by American Peace Corps volunteers and Rwandan facilitators. Lessons like goal settings.
And you also have long term. So long term, maybe it is a goal that is more difficult, right? So maybe in a year or maybe in 10 years, right? So for example, I will attend university and become a doctor.
Gender equalities.
But think, a woman, she has 2 arms. She knows to use a hammer. She can build a table. It is possible.
Peer pressures.
Come. Yes, come. To just say no and go away. Because if somebody is drinking, maybe they think it is okay and they will not want to talk to you about why it is bad.
And HIV, facts and protection. Girls thought about their future and cut out photos with girls and made the bank to save their money. Girls had fun practicing their many talents and playing sports. Girls met new friends in different schools in the province.
Her name is Enlight. Her name is... My name is Angus.
If you want to start a Glow Club, talk to your nearest Peace Corps volunteer.
Now we know that we are strong enough.
How can make a good decision?
Many activities like to play volleyball, basketball, yoga.
We also make friends from different schools.
Amazed to see girls
coming up out of themselves.
It helps us to teach us how we can be confident and about HIV, how to plan our goal settings by step.
Remember that ubujijuke ni imbaraga. Thank you. Murakoze.